Hi guys, it's Amber. I'm back here with you for another craft video from the Clearwater Public Library. Today we're going to make a DIY Sharpie mug. So you will need a mug. You can get one at the thrift store or at your local dollar store. You're going to need some oil-based Sharpies. These are specialty Sharpies that are used for writing on ceramic or glass. After you're done with your project, you're actually going to bake this in the oven, and it's going to make the Sharpie permanent, so it won't come off when you wash the mug. You're gonna need some stickers. You can use any stickers, but I'm gonna do an initial. I have some uppercase and lowercase, but I think the uppercase is really cute, so I'm gonna go with an A for my name. You're going to need some nail polish remover and some Q-tips in case you make a mistake. First, I'm gonna decide which side I want the sticker to be on. So since I'm gonna hold my mug like this, because I'm right-handed, I'm gonna put the sticker on this side so everybody can see it. Because this is a curved surface, it can be a little bit tricky to make the sticker look straight. But once you get it the way you like it, you wanna really make sure that the sticker adheres to the mug. So you're gonna pick 2 or 3 colors. I wouldn't do more than 3 because it can look really busy on a white surface. So I think I'm gonna do black as my base color and purple as my top color, and I might add some gold later. But basically what you're gonna do is you're just gonna start making dots. You definitely wanna concentrate on the edges because that's how you're gonna get the outline of the A. You can trace it if you want to, but I like the way it looks just kind of sporadically placed. If you go too fast, your hand will slip and you'll get a mark, which is why you have the Q-tips and the nail polish remover. I like to concentrate the dots closer to the letter and then have them fan out as we get further away. I'm gonna let those black dots dry and then I'm gonna go over it with the purple. So right there I got a little bit of a smudge and it's gonna bother me. So I'm just gonna go ahead and remove that dot. So you really want to be layering the colors. We started with black, we went to purple, we've gone back to black a couple times, and we've gone back to purple. This gives it a lot of dimension. Very carefully start to remove your sticker. I'm just going to go in here and clean up a few dots. What you're going to do is you're going to bake your mug in the oven for 30 minutes at 350 degrees. Remember to place the mug in the oven before it heats up and to leave it in the oven until it completely cools. That way there won't be any cracks. You can choose to bake it twice if you really want to set the Sharpie drying, and then you'll be able to wash it without a problem. So here's your finished product, your DIY initial Sharpie mug. I hope you guys enjoyed this craft from the Clearwater Main Library. Please send us your photos of your completed project. See you next time.